Most folks around here have never tasted real sugar cane, but this right here, this is red striped sugar cane. It's not just good eating, it's hardy, beautiful, and surprisingly easy to grow right here in northeast Louisiana. The trick is knowing what it needs and how to get it through the winter. Let me show you how. Red striped sugar cane, sometimes called chewing cane, is a showstopper in any market garden or homestead. It has deep burgundy striping, sweet juicy stalks, and it can get as high as 10 feet tall. Here's what red striped cane needs to thrive in our Zone 8 climate. It needs full sun, all the light it can get. Don't even bother planting it in the shade. Well drained soil. It'll rot in soggy soil. I mix in compost and plant it on a slight mound or bed to keep the ground dry. Once it's up and growing, it's pretty drought tough, but while it's establishing, keep the soil consistently moist, especially in the first month. Give each stalk 3 to 4 feet apart. These things will get tall and thick. If you crowd them, they will be stunted and will not grow right for you. You grow cane from cuttings, not seed. You take a stalk, cut it into sections about 12 to 18 inches long, and you make sure that each piece has 2 or 3 nodes. That's where the roots and the shoots come from. You lay this horizontal or vertical just underneath the surface. Keep it watered and warm, and you'll see growth in a couple of weeks. Once it's growing, cane is low maintenance, but it is a grass. That means it wants plenty of nitrogen. So side dress it with composted chicken manure or blood meal every 4 to 6 weeks through the summer. If you want thick, juicy stalks, don't let it dry out in July and August because that's when it really adds bulk. And one more thing, watch out for fire ants. They love the sweet juice from young shoots. A little diatomaceous earth usually takes care of this problem. Now here's the part that matters for us in northeast Louisiana. How do you keep this alive during the winter? Red striped cane is technically a tropical plant, but with the right prep you can keep it going year after year. After the first frost, cut the stalks back to 6 to 12 inches and pile at least 8 inches of mulch over the crown. Pine straw, hay, leaves, whatever you have. You're insulating the root zone, not the stalks. Or, if you want to be extra sure, dig up a few healthy stalks with the roots attached and pot them up. Keep them in a warm spot like a greenhouse, sunny window, or even a garage that doesn't freeze. Then you can replant them in March once the soil warms. If you want to grow a crop that's beautiful, low input, and gives you real food you can chew straight from the stalk, red striped sugar cane is it. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more farm-tested growing tips that actually work here in Louisiana. Take care of your soil, take care of your people. See y'all next time.